I am fixing to have the most incredible supper tonight. In fact, I've invited our Michelle and her family over for dinner, and I hope they can come because this entree is so stinking good. And they're called fiery shrimp. Now, my Aunt Trina moved to Louisiana later in her life, and she learned to cook wonderful Cajun dishes. In fact, in my latest book, I have a lot of her recipes in there. Trina passed away in towards the end of 2013. And I remember her being so devastated about the place I was in my life. But anyway, she was just 3 years older than me. And so we were raised like sisters. So I love doing her recipes. I love thinking about our times as little children growing up. So, fiery Cajun shrimp. Now, to my melted butter, and I've got like 2 sticks of melted butter, y'all. Maybe more.
It's 4 sticks.
4 sticks. Because this is kind of like the barbecue shrimp that they cook in New Orleans. It takes a lot of butter. All right, now this is pressed fresh garlic. And this is salt. Like I said, the recipe tells you what it is and the name of it. Fiery. Fiery shrimp. All right, I'm not going to put all that pepper in it. And I've got lemon juice. And I've got Worcestershire. Little old bay wouldn't be bad in there either. All right, so this is what these beautiful shrimp, it's what they're going to cook in. All right. So, I love using my heavy cast iron pan. I mean, it's getting so heavy I can't hardly pick up my cast iron anymore, and that makes me sad. Does that say I'm getting old? Okay, I'm just going to put some lemons on the bottom, and I'm going to put some shrimp, a layer of shrimp on top of the lemons. What am I messing up here? Okay. Few more. All right. All right, I'm going to pour the whoa. These are going to be so good, y'all. Okay. All right, a few more lemon slices on top. And the rest of the sauce. This is so unbelievably good, y'all. All right. Now, I'm going to bake this for about 20 minutes, and I'll come in and I'll toss them when it's time. But I won't be cooking them because shrimp takes, like 20 minutes, if that long. So I won't cook them until right before I'm ready to serve them. And that'll be about 5 hours. But I'll come back and show you what we got. How about that? Okay, y'all, look up here.
Oh, gosh.
Look at that, Eddie. I got. Look at my girl run. I got Michelle and Daniel and John and Michael. I called in the whole crew to come eat some of these shrimp, Eddie. Because look at that. How beautiful are they?
See what I did?
How
Don't.
beautiful. Does anybody gonna look over here at me while I'm stirring these shrimp? Y'all all gonna put me on ignore? Come here, John. Don't desert your old granny. Yum. Yum. Yum is right. Yum is right. All right, now he'll taste them to make sure they're good. Oh, it's hot if it's Frank Cracker. And then that funny, that's the limo. Hot cracky cream. Firecracker sugar. And look, your mama done took to some crab cakes.
Mike, you would put the tail up here. He said he.
Yeah, Bean.
We need to take the tail off for you. That child right there, Michelle, I have to say, makes the best crab cakes of anybody that I know. And I'm gonna cut. I was stingy when I got them out of the freezer. Michelle. So we're gonna have to just cut them in two. There you go. Because I want us to eat these shrimps. Let me know. I know they're hot.
Hey, good.
Got a thumbs up from the seafood man over here. He was like his granddaddy. He was born here on the water and loves everything that comes out of it, don't you? Love it, best dishes. You've got to try them. It's so good. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.